just finishing our breakfast. It was eggs, toast, jam and a bit of fruit. There was no choice. Was yours alright, Em? She's a bit of a zombie at the minute. This is what we're doing, the one night package. So we get to the lake house at 12:30, and then at 4 o'clock we've got to explore stunning limestone formations of Gullin Rock and venture into Diamond Cave. Then not much. 6:30 on day 2, wake up for early morning boat safari. Embark on guided jungle trek to Bangoi Hoi waterfall, weather permitting. And then we head back. It's got sunny very quickly. There is some cloud, low-lying cloud over the top of the hills. See it up there ahead. We've got a 45-minute bus drive to get to the pier where we get the boat out to the lake houses. It's a bit of an expedition.
Emma's in a VIP seat.
Yeah. Our driver seems to have a habit of overtaking on blind corners. It's a 7-Eleven stop. Not what I expected. Just walking through this market first with pink eggs, dragon fruit. What are you looking for?
Food.
You've got some food there, look.
Pardon?
Pocky sticks. It's the biggest bag of Wotsits I've ever seen.
And it left.
Back on the bus. Emma's after a pocky.
These ones. Okay.
And then heading to the dock afterwards. Smiley, leave everything in the van.
Dad, no, I will slap you around my face so hard that you feel like time.
God, they look stiff as a board chairs, don't they? Reminds me of the last place we stayed at. So this is the inside of the Smiley bungalow. Quite cosy. 3 single mattresses. We've got this nice view outside. Lovely fresh rain coming down. What have you got for your lunch, Joe? Sweet and sour something. We've made good progress. We found where they keep the rubbish in that tree. We've come up a small ravine and we're in a secluded area. It is raining. Joe's in control of steering right now. Now heading back out of the ravine. Butterfly there. The rain's getting harder. We're back and we travelled 0.9 miles. Just preparing for the cave.
Everyone. Yes. Inside a minute about it all.
Go! I'll do this.
Okay, guys, looking here. See something?
Oh, it's a bit low. But you bash. Did you bash your head then?
Small bump. Same here.
That's the female. And the male with the small bum. Did he bite you? The spider just got him.
Red hat. He's good.
Oh dear.
But
That's the spider that bit him.
and depend one.
Okay.
Yeah, they have here for scan and for the move. Yeah, it's long.
They're coming now. Very narrow gap. Oh, that's a dead end.
Ow, wait.
Wrong way.
Yeah. Are you up here? Are you up on the middle here?
Oh, up there.
Yeah,
Because that arrow points there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You up straight here and turn right. Yeah.
Okay.
You can see the big line.
Finally. I was getting a bit worried then. Some of those arrows don't point the right way. That was really good, wasn't it? That spider reminded me of Mr. Roper.
I don't know who that is, but shut up
Mr.
about spiders.
The first one that we saw, the tiger spider.
Tiger spider. I like the scorpion spider, but I don't like scorpions.
Did you see scorpion?
No, a scorpion spider.
And the cricket. The cricket looks a bit weird.
I had a
Fat belly.
nightmare of a scorpion once. We just had the kitchen renovated and I was in the kitchen for the first time and Basil was trying to eat the scorpion and you two were farting at the scorpion, and I tried to eat the scorpion as well. Would you fart at a scorpion?
I think that would be my first thought.
Dad, what would you do if there was a scorpion? Would you fart at it?
I wouldn't fight with a scorpion. I wouldn't go anywhere near it. Are you ready for your dinner, Emma B? It's a good view for dinner. And this is the food they give you. It's like a mix, like a buffet style. Curries and chicken, fried chicken. Just heading back to the room. What did you think, Joe?
Yeah, I enjoyed my day. Even though it's involved water boats.
This is so fun. Instead of walking out of a door, this is just so much easier as well.
Just go through the hole in the wall. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning start tomorrow. Will you be all right for it, Emma?
No.
Too early?
Yes.
Although we did make the suggestion it was only 20 to 7. So we'll see. With an extra 10 minutes in bed.